Hi everyone, in this video I'm going to show you different ways to select features in QGIS. First, right-click on the tool panel and enable the Selection Toolbar. This toolbar lets you select features manually, automatically, by expression, by location, and also select and deselect everything. A key concept is the active layer. QGIS only selects features from the layer you have selected. So I choose my layer and now I can select features manually. Click to select one feature, hold Shift to add more, or use the polygon and freehand tools. To clear the selection, click Deselect. Now let's select features using an expression. In this layer I have a field called Type with values from 1 to 4. I open Select by Expression, choose the field, load the unique values and select one. Click Select Features and now all Type 1 features are selected. You can also invert the selection. To clear it, click Deselect. Finally, let's use Select by Location. I want to select all points that fall inside a polygon from another layer. I select the polygon, open Select by Location, choose my point layer and choose the spatial relationship. Run it and QGIS selects all matching features. One more example. I want to select all features located in an area called Carnota. Again, I open Select by Location, choose my point layer, compare it with my polygon layer, and in Feature Filter I add the expression name unit equal Carnota. Run it and that's it. These are some of the most useful tools to select features in QGIS. Hope you like it and see you in the next video.